From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm student meteorologist Gavin Sandel for your Friday afternoon forecast. Let's take a look at Beaver Stadium right now. It is 57 degrees accompanied with those rain showers. You can see over there the tailgating tents that are going to be for tomorrow's game. It will not be as rainy for tomorrow's game, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. But right now it's 57 degrees. We are at saturation. Feels like and dew point are both at 57 with a pretty calm to variable 6-mile-per-hour northeast wind. So let's take a look at our weather headlines for today. Obviously, we're going to have that washout. The rain will continue for the rest of the day and into the night. The cold front that will follow the rain tomorrow morning, that'll drop temperatures, and I'll talk about that in a little while. Also, a snow chance next week. Possibility for midweek snow on maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll also talk about that in just a little while. Let's take a look at the radar. Rain is moving from south to north, obviously, because of the remnants of Hurricane Nicole that struck Florida 2 nights ago. That is coming up into the State College area, and obviously there is a little heavy pocket of rain that just is about to hit State College, but overall for the entire state, it is pretty green. We'll continue these temperatures into the upper 50s, maybe lower 60s. Not that much variation. Obviously, that's 66 in Philadelphia. You always see warmer temperatures in Philly. And then as we go out, this is the big thing I want to talk about. This line right over here. The cold front right now that we're going to see tomorrow is at about in the Midwest into the south, and that's going to push through. And I want to talk about also the temperature change that we see. Right now, not much, 2 degrees in State College, nothing to talk about. But as we go out into the Midwest, all of these cooler temperatures, these are going to be here at this point tomorrow, at 36 degrees below in Madison, Wisconsin. That is a lot. So let's continue. This is the future cast. This rain will move up. We might see a break in the action for the mid-afternoon, but as we go into the night, those darker yellows, oranges, and reds will come up. We'll see heavy rain overnight, and then it should be a little better as we go into the morning with that cold front passing through, and then maybe a passing shower or two for the afternoon on Saturday. But after we do that, maybe some lake effect showers for the first time we've seen that for the entire season, gracing the northwest portions of Pennsylvania and the Erie area. But otherwise, for the rest of the state, it shouldn't look like a lot of precipitation going into the rest of the weekend. So this is our radar outlook. Obviously, there's a big line, 3.5 inches in Bradford. I wouldn't be surprised if that doesn't verify, but that is still a lot. And as you go east, it does get lower, but still over an inch in areas. That's pretty significant. So let's continue on, and with Sunday as well, we're going to see some more precipitation, not as much as we did today. For today, it's going to be 63 degrees with those periods of rain into the afternoon and nighttime, and then 52 degrees tonight with the rain ending pretty late, maybe about 5 to 6 a.m. And then as we go to tomorrow, it should be 53 degrees with overcast skies, maybe a chance or two of rain during our Maryland game, which we'll see maybe during kickoff. In the early part of the game, we might see some rain, but that temperature is going down because of the cold front that we're going to see tomorrow morning. That morning high is going to be 53 like I talked about. So for Friday, Saturday, it's going to be warm, but as we go to the rest of the week, it's going to be in the 40s, which is pretty lower compared to what we're seeing normally. And then obviously there is a chance of flurries possible on Wednesday. The models aren't very much in agreement. Some of them are jockeying between Tuesday, Wednesday, seeing snow, and then some other models they might see. This is obviously outside of our forecasting period, but they might see some like a nor'easter conditions on Friday. But otherwise, it's going to be a cold rest of your next week. And with that, I'm Gavin Sandel for your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.